tripping. You go like this.
Oh, it feels
Come and say hi.
Hi.
It's so cute. Hey. Hi. Never become. Say hi.
Did you get that from?
I stole it from Gianna. And there's Gianna. Walking like a cool ass mom. It's recording.
Zoom in on Saul.
Bruh, where do we go? Oh, we're going that way? Okay. It's Isabella and Leslie. Gotta give it. Put on the shades. Put on the shades. Okay. Okay. You and your. You know, I don't know. I'm gonna learn how to do this. So this first video is probably gonna be a little ass, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn how to. Don't worry, it's okay. I got it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That car scared the fuck out of me. Anyways, we look cool as fuck here. Look, this is my life professional. Senior class of 2023. He got his car again? Okay, look at that. Let's get the license plate and everything. I call shotgun.
Everyone always gets shot.
You know why? God damn, it's hot. It's hot.
Your ass Damn, my ass is too fat.
Where's Gianna? Oh. Gianna's blind ass, bro. She's squinting hard as fuck. As soon as we have the pool party and everything, I already told Gianna she needs to bring this.
I'm gonna bring that.
And we're gonna vlog every single fucking time we hang out.
I need to buy more film. And then I have like the regular film.
His dumbass, why did his dumbass go? It was my turn.
Here's Israel with his rage, his road rage. You know, Israel, one of these days, Israel is gonna...
Not really, unless they're like completely stopped on the road and all.
I don't honk. I'm too shy to be honking. Here's Steffi giving me scratches. She's just fucking up my hair at this point. Fucking up my hair. Here, I wanna grab it. No, I don't. Okay.
Incognito.
Ah, yes. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Welcome to Evelyn's live show. Nah, I'm joking. It's Gianna. I'm gonna end it here.